We're here at MUI Kimono. I have chosen a bag, and they've let me pick a color yukata. And the women take a lot longer, of course, because there's a lot more to do for theirs. And I will be waiting. We have made it to Asakusa with our rented kimonos. Look at this place.
It's like 100 yen.
Not really. Well, we probably should do it. Okay, show me get your luck. Got 100 yen, you need 100. Okay, first you put 100 in there, and then you pick a number.
And I got a bad fortune. Bad fortune. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this.
Tie it hard.
And then I tie it up like this. Hold on, let me crinkle it.
Yeah, tie that fortune away.
He wants to follow me home a lot.
Well, you gotta tie it good now. It comes loose. It's a bad fortune.
Hold on. Let me
make it smaller. Fold it tighter.
You pour it into there.
You're right behind her? Oh, there's an extra step in there. Now I want some of these roasted marshmallows. Quick swipe. I'm getting all up in that. Yeah. No, is that what you did? Yeah. I'll wait till the wind changes. Hold on. I'm a boy from the south. I know a good campfire. Up the steps and inside the temple. Let's go right up the middle. Look at that. That's absolutely beautiful. Wow, what a gorgeous place. Look at in there though. Oh, there are crazy beautiful paintings on the ceiling. Got some small change? Shaker stick good. And get it out just like a toothpick at a Cracker Barrel. And what number do you have?
81.
81. Down here, right? Oh no. There we go, top.
Oh, let me put mine back.
Stick back.
Small fortune.
Oh, we could do a small fortune.
Yeah. And everything that you worry
Let's
about.
step over here and read our
Good.
small fortune.
So if I do everything right,
You are righteous, your wish will be realized. I've always believed that.
the patient will get well, the lost article will be found, the person you are waiting for will come soon. Building a new horse, enlarging me are both good. It is good to make a trip. Hey!
Marriage and hiring a new employee are all good. That is so beautiful.
Oh, sorry.
Look at that old bridge and look at those koi fish.
I wonder if you put the steps on those bridges.
Yes, that is very old.
Except that so brokenly.
Look at these little things. What is it, a stone fish? Look at the carp swimming around down there, the koi. What a beautiful little spot they've got. Look at this beautiful little place here. I don't know what that says. Maybe I can translate it later. If this was the United States, I would think that were a tomb. Look at that giant lantern. Can you see it there? Let me see if I can get better. Can you see the giant lantern, or is it drowning it out? Yeah, it's beautiful. Well, that's it. I'm incensed. She put it on top of her head like that. We purchased little sandwiches, ice cream sandwiches. Now it's recorded. Little lanterns. Matcha? Is that what that is? Yeah, matcha cream puff.
Giant matcha chocolate.
Okay, there we go. Well, that was a great experience that I would suggest for people. Yeah, who come here. We really enjoyed it. Felt good walking around. Didn't feel like we were cultural appropriation or anything. Everybody was cool with it. It's pretty nice.
Tons of people doing it. There were Japanese people, people from other countries. You're not alone in it if you feel like you're the only one.
That's true. Okay. Now we're off to get back closer to our hotel to avoid rush hour on the subway and find some food.